Hi everyone. Here is another Easy-Peasy video theory podcast. And the topic is Closet by Kosofsky Sedgwick. What is closet? As you know, Kosofsky Sedgwick has written Epistemology of the Closet. That's a very important book in feminist theory and LGBTIQA plus theory. It's a 1990 book. That is the book where she coined the term closet. What does it refer to? Closet refers to the cultural and social stigma around homosexuality. Homosexuals or LGBTIQA plus people, they are regarded with homophobia by the society. This social cultural stigma creates a cultural pressure, and they have to remain closeted as a result of this pressure related to homophobia of the society. Sedgwick argues that the closet creates a binary system of sexuality where there is a binary opposition between the deviant or abnormal and what is considered normal. Sedgwick is saying that there should be no such binary between normal and abnormal. Both are constructs. But this culture of homophobia and closeting creates a culture of fear and secrecy. Those who are outside the closet and those who are inside the closet. And a lot of people suffer because of internalized homophobia and lack of social support. Sedgwick's work was very influential in the LGBTIQA+ movement towards greater acceptance of these individuals. And also this book illustrates how heteronormativity pervades society and we should avoid it. So I hope you found this discussion useful. Thank you very much. I'll be back with more.